Hi Stein family, this is Shay from room 14. So I have a quick breakfast burrito video that I want to share with you today, and it's one of my favorites. It's a chorizo and potato breakfast burrito. So the things that we're going to need are chorizo, of course, tortillas, either burrito size or taco size, French fries, cheese, eggs, and green onions, garlic, and then your toppings if you want to add some hot sauce, sour cream, avocado, or favorite salsa. So let's get started. So what we're going to do, we're going to make enough for either 2 taco size burritos or 1 regular size breakfast burrito. So we're going to, in a hot skillet, we're going to add a little oil. And to that, we're going to add a little bit of green onions. If you don't like these, you don't have to use them. It's totally up to you. And a little bit of garlic. I just like to add a little bit more flavor. And 2 beaten eggs. So we're going to scramble our egg. And while this is cooking, we're going to add in our chorizo. This is about a fourth of a tube, or about 2 tablespoons. You can add more or less. It depends on what you like. I'm just going to add this in, kind of mix it up. There are different types of chorizo. There's beef chorizo, pork chorizo, and there's also soy chorizo for vegetarians if you would like to use soy chorizo, and an egg substitute for a vegetarian version of this dish. And next we're going to heat up our grill. So you can use a griddle like this or a big round cast iron skillet if you have a skillet that will fit a burrito size tortilla, and put it on a hot griddle or skillet. And you'll know when your tortilla gets ready. It'll start getting little bubbles, and the opaqueness will go away from the tortilla. It'll start looking more cooked. So we're just gonna kind of flip it a little bit. You can see the little bubbles coming up already. And it'll get softer. This looks about done. So we're going to take this tortilla and put it on a plate. Now we have some fries that we cooked. You can use any type of potato. You can use French fries, hash browns, whatever you like. I cook mine in the air fryer. You can fry yours on the stove. You can bake them in the oven. It's up to you. So we're going to take some fries here. If you like a lot of potatoes, you can put a lot. If you like a little bit, you can put fewer. This is probably about 8 or so. 8 long French fries. And then we take our chorizo and put on here. This is enough for 1 large burrito or 2 small tacos size burritos. And let's see, we can put a little bit of cheese. It doesn't matter what type of cheese that you like. I'm just using sharp cheddar cheese. Now the tricky part for the folding, a lot of people want to know how to fold a burrito. That you can fold the sides in and then fold the top over. Kind of scooch it down a little so you get a nice tight roll. And then you roll it and leave like a little lip there. Kind of ensure that your ingredients stay in. And there you have it. Nothing's falling out. See? Look at that. Tuck it in a little bit more. Okay, let's see what this looks like. And there you have it. A chorizo and potato breakfast burrito. I hope you enjoy this as much as I do. Thank you. Bye.